Hi, lovely people. How are you? I am feeling so much better. I was sick for a few days, so if you haven't seen any videos lately, I do apologize, but I am feeling so much better. And I am recording at night. Oh, it is after 9 o'clock tonight. So if you hear a little echoing, I do apologize, but I have the door shut because my son is in the other room sleeping because he has school tomorrow. So, and I am so excited. My husband left to go pick up my stepdaughter from college. She is in Washington State College, and she is home for about a week and a half, 2 weeks for Christmas break. And her plane comes in at 11:30 tonight, and I'm so excited. Anyway, without further ado, before I forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now. It's a 12 days of giveaway. So make sure you check out the other videos. You just have to go through link. So each video, each giveaway has a separate link since it's a different giveaway. And the values are between $50 all the way to up. And a lot of them are like a couple $100s. So they're really good giveaways. You have until the 19th to enter all of them. You don't have to enter just one or two. You can enter all 12 if you like. I believe there's 2 videos that has like 2 days with it. So make sure you check the links because it will be 2 links in the description bar for Gleam in them 2 videos. The rest of them just has the one Gleam link. All you have to do is like the videos. You have to make sure you're subscribed. That's all you have to do through Gleam. And I go through Gleam because I want to make sure people are subscribed because I'm giving back to my supporters, people that support me, which I call my lovelies. So that's why. That's all you have to do. I don't make you watch videos, or I don't make you go to Instagram or Facebook. It is just for you guys to say thank you. And you also have to comment. And the trick is, there is a question that I ask in every video, and you have to answer that question. You can't just comment whatever. And that's just to see who watches my videos all the way through, because like I said, I do pay for this stuff, and I just want to give back to people that truly support me. And I think that's all. I am babbling because I'm very excited. So anyway, if you see my description, I am going to be unbagging or unboxing a new subscription to my channel that I am so excited. It is a handbag subscription called Bolzano. I wanted to make sure I said it right. I don't know if I look blurry. Let's see. Let's put something up like here. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Anywho, this is like the 3rd video that I'm making. The first time I was blurry. The second time I was in the middle of doing it and my computer and everything just shut up. So I had to reboot it. So this is the 3rd time. So everything isn't as pretty as what it was when it came in. It was tied up really nice and it came in an outer package. But let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. I'm getting ahead of myself. Since it's my 3rd time, I forget what I said in the video. Okay, anyway, and stop. All right, let me read on here what a little bit with this is. Okay, so there are 2 subscriptions you can get. You can get just the regular handbag that you get every month, which is $28.95. Or you can get the subscription that I have, that you get a handbag every month plus 2 to 3 accessories, and the total value for everything will be about $250, which is great for $33. I think that's great. And if you use this code ANNEGIFT in all caps, when you subscribe, you will get a special gift valued up to $45. That is not an affiliate link. I don't get anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So why not subscribe and use that and get something for free? All right, so this is what it comes with every month. It comes with the dust bag, which I like. Some people don't realize and they throw these away, but this is great to put up because these are really nice handbags. And that way you can put it up. You don't get them messed up. They don't get dust on them. And it's just great to, put them up. Like I said, I can't think of the word. Anywho, all right, so let's open her up. You do have a profile. I believe it was like 52 questions. So they get really down and dirty to see what you really like, which I like. And let me tell you something, this matches me to the T, because if you know me in real life, there's 3 things that I love: makeup, shoes, and handbags. I mean, besides my kids and my husband and my family, those are the three things. If you ever want to get me something, them three things, I will love you forever. So this handbag is beautiful. This is what it looks like. It says Bolzano on there. Let me read you two, because there's three things that you can get, and I want to make sure I tell you right. So you can either get this, you can either get cowhide leather, vegan leather, or nylon. They alternate the materials. And like I said, you go by profile, so then you let them know as well what you like. So, like I said, they ask you what colors and stuff you like. Do you like blue, red, brown, black? And I like all colors. So I love this. And on the back is a little zipper, which you can open her up. And it's a pretty deep zipper. Like, you can fit your cell phone in it. Let me show you. I mean, you can fit your cell phone in that and still have plenty of room. So I like that. All right, also, in the month of December, they're doing something so nice. They are personalizing the tag. So I have my initials AR. You can get up to 50 spaces. So if you want to have, if there's a special quote that you like, you can do that. But you have to order before December, well, by December 19th. No later than that in order to get this personalization. So I know today's the 16th and it's at night, but like I said, I wasn't feeling well. So I apologize for that. It's only for the month of December. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. It came with stuffing in the bag. So you have like this. You have two little pockets right here. You can put your keys in or your cell phone in there, whatever you like. Then you have this little pocket right there. And then you have here, it also comes with the belt. So if you don't like, you know, holding handbags like this, you can use the belt. And let's see, let me show you that. So then you have here, and then you have a zipper in here, which, let's see, is pretty deep as well. This is a really nice pocketbook. So that's what it looks like. And then you get accessories. So the one accessory, you get a scarf, I believe almost every month. And this is gorgeous, guys. I mean, look at this scarf. This is so beautiful. And you can wear it as a scarf, but what I like to do is put it on the handle, make it nice and pretty, and the decoration. That's what a lot of people do, what I see, and I really like that style. So every month you'll get a scarf that matches the pocketbook. So that is one of them. Then you also get a little bracelet, which just is beautiful. I think this is so pretty. I mean, it doesn't do it justice. So pretty. I mean, it matches the pocketbook. It really does. And I believe there was one more thing that, okay. And you got this little, I don't know what this is for. Maybe you can put it in your hair. I have no idea. Comment down below. What is this? I have no idea. Anyway, that is the bag, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't mind getting this type of bag every month in different colors. I really like it. And this scarf is one of the prettiest scarves I've ever seen. Also, in the profiles, it asks you what type of design do you like. So, I mean, God, that's beautiful. I just love it. Love it. So, like I said, that is the handbag. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you seen this subscription before? What do you think about it? I think for $33 and you get accessories with the scarf, I think that's fantastic every month. And if you can't afford it, if you think it's a little high or you don't really care for the accessories, you can get a handbag for $28 every month. And I'm telling you, you guys know, if you guys are not new to my channel, I'm very honest, and I would tell you if this was cheaply made. It is not. I don't know if this is leather. Let me see if there's like a tag in here. I have no idea. I will find out, and then I will put it in my description box. So make sure you check that out. I will email the owner, and if she gets back to me in time, like I said, I'll put everything down there. So yeah, that's everything. One more thing I want to ask you. Have you guys heard of this eyeshadow palette. I did receive this as a gift from Laura Mercier. Or Mercier, I don't know how to pronounce her last name. This is the Hidden Gems eyeshadow palette. And let me show you what it looks like. I did use this today. And I'm just going to block the mirror so I don't blind you. And that's what it looks like. So it's all shimmers except for this color and the black. The rest is all shimmers. I did use this pink right there for my eyes. And then I went on top with a Supernova eyeshadow from ColourPop. And I'm still going to play around with this and see how I like it. But let me know in the comments below. Have you heard of this? Have you tried it? Let me know. And I think that's everything I have to say, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out because I don't know what's going on with YouTube. YouTube is acting crazy. My analytics are going down. My view time is going down. YouTube took I think 98 subscribers from me in 1 hour the other day. They said they're getting rid of spam. I don't know, but if you guys can make sure that you like this video, leave a comment, share my videos if you can, because the more interaction, the more YouTube will promote my channel. And I got over 25,000. My husband's like, do you think you can get to 26,000 by the first of the year? I don't know. Anyway, I'm babbling because I'm so excited to see my stepdaughter, well, my daughter. And that's it. That's all I have to say. I love you guys. I always leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.